In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to navigate some key settings in Mailchimp. Whether you're new to Mailchimp or just looking to fine-tune your audience engagement, this guide is for you. We'll walk through a few simple steps to help you set up subscriber notification emails, which are a great way to stay informed about your audience's interactions with your campaigns. So let's dive right in. First things first, you'll want to head over to the Mailchimp website. Open up your preferred web browser and type in the Mailchimp URL. If you haven't already signed in, go ahead and do so with your credentials. Once you're logged in, your Mailchimp dashboard will appear, showing various options for managing your marketing efforts. After you've arrived at your dashboard, take a moment to locate the Audience tab. This is where all the magic happens when it comes to managing your subscribers. Click on Audience, and from the drop-down options, select More Options. This will expand a detailed menu that allows you to navigate deeper into various audience features. Now that you're in the Audience section, let's focus on setting up your subscriber notifications. Scroll down and find Audience Settings. Click on this option to open your settings menu. Here, look out for a section labeled Email Settings. It may take a moment to locate if you're new, but it's usually towards the bottom of the options. Once you're in the Email Settings, you'll notice the Subscriber Notification Emails section. Click on Edit here. It's important to have notifications that align with your needs so you can stay updated without being overwhelmed by unnecessary information. Now you'll see several toggle options: Daily Summary, Individual Subscribe, and Unsubscribe notifications. To ensure you're receiving the right alerts, toggle on each option. Daily Summary is excellent for a quick overview of what's going on with your subscribers. The Individual Subscribe and Unsubscribe notifications offer detailed insights whenever someone joins or leaves your list, letting you respond promptly if needed. After you've toggled these options on according to your preferences, make sure to save your changes. You'll find the Save Notification Settings button nearby. Click it, and your settings should be updated immediately. And there you have it. You've successfully set up your Mailchimp subscriber notifications. This setup is a fantastic way to maintain a closer relationship with your subscribers, ensuring you're always in the loop with the latest developments. It's these small, manageable steps that make a big difference in keeping your marketing strategies effective and efficient. Thanks for tuning in. I hope you found this guide helpful, and be sure to check back for more tutorials to make the most out of your marketing tools. Until next time, happy emailing.